Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection Service. Ira has a problem. And let me tell you, this is not just Ira's problem. A lot of people, my wife, LaDonna, pointed this out, and we were both shocked. Static electricity is running
Yeah.
rampant. Stuff comes out of the dryer and it's clinging. So Ira and my wife, LaDonna, wondering what causes this and how does she stop it and how does he stop it?
All right. Well, tis the season for static. It's we run into static anytime the air gets drier. The air gets drier as the temperatures drop. So right now, the humidity levels in our homes are probably, if you've got a full home heating system with a humidifier in it, you're probably running around 35 to 40% relative humidity right now, and that's right on the edge of where electricity starts building up. We don't deal with static in the summer because the air is so moist that the electrical charges are able to dissipate through the water conducts electricity, right? So that's why we don't have that in the summertime. But in the winter, the way it is, the dry air, a lot of the problems are related to the materials in our house. If you've got carpets, in your home, you're going to have a higher likelihood of having static electricity. Clothing you wear, 100% cotton is going to have less static electricity in it. Any of the synthetics that you wear, the golf slacks, all of those things are just building up additional static charges. So you got to control the humidity in the air, get it up a little bit higher, find a little bit of a source, whether it's, putting a tea kettle on like a lot of people do. Or it's also, you can do it through just the way you launder your clothes. Those dryer sheets, those fabric softeners are going to help a lot with static electricity and the buildup of it. But yeah, it's a nuisance. It creates a lot of headaches. But these cold temperatures like we've had the last week, there's not a whole lot you can do short of just adding a lot of moisture to the air in your home.
Yeah, LaDonna mentioned the sheets, the static, for getting rid of static. So I guess, but isn't there something also about using those in a dryer could also hurt the dryer?
No, I don't know that it hurts the dryer. You see people say that there's a problem with that it damages fibers. I don't know. We're a fabric, sheet family, always have been. So I don't know of any damage that's occurred to clothing. But yes, I know that there are people who won't use it with delicate fabrics because it can leave a stain. I think that's the biggest problem, is the possible staining. But those dryer sheets are going to help lower the level of static charges that are in your clothes.
Yeah, it sounds like a humidifier might also help too. Or in the
Humidifier,
whole house
absolutely.
humidifier. Yeah.
Right, exactly.
Got it. A reminder, if you would like to see the replay on this, LouisvilleAnswers.com. Also, if you'd like to read some of the reviews that we're very proud of, because you might be thinking in 2026 or even now to list your home, go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com.